Good night, class. So today I'm gonna be talking about the 3 questions on post 4. So I'm gonna be defining plagiarism and why it's important to orally cite your sources, and describing 2 helpful tips I learned in the PowerPoint presentation video, and which 2 of the potential presentation aids from the video I'll be using in my informative speech. Okay, then. So defining plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you you gather information from a source and you are claiming it as yours, or you're not giving credit to the sourcer. It is important to you know give credit to the sourcer, because you can get in trouble, sue, and you can even like serve jail time, and it's not fun. Okay, then. So why it's important to orally cite your sources? Okay, so like I said, you can get in trouble. So let's say you give a presentation in TED Talk, right? It is always important to cite the source, so later on you will not be accused of plagiarism, like stealing information. And not only that, but also, if you cite the source, the audience can go back and learn more about what you're talking about. Okay, so 2 helpful tips I learned from the PowerPoint presentation video. So one of them is the KISS method. So keep it simple, silly. So I feel like in a presentation it should be simple. It shouldn't be something that make the presenter nervous. Not only that, but it for me, it makes me I overthink like what I'm gonna say, and that like builds up more information, like useless information basically. So keep it simple, useful information. And the other one is keeping your PowerPoints professional. So keeping your PowerPoints professional, not using a lot of colors, a lot of different fonts. Using one font and keeping it simple with colors. I feel like that should be enough. Keeping it professional, and also like makes the audience, just look at you or look at the slide. Okay, so what are the two potential presentation aids I'll be using for my informative speech? So one of them will be so I'm a visually person. I like to visualize something, and I don't know, it's just like I learn more and I get fascinated with what I'm looking at. So I'll be sharing some either images, objects, or something, so I could help the audience, give them a visual perspective of what I'm talking about. And also the other one will be keeping my presentation professional. So not putting like a lot of words in one slide, because that's a lot, because the audience are going to be looking at the slide and not looking at you if you put too much words, and if the words are too letter and they can't see. So always keeping it bigger, and if you have to, even bold, like on some key points, but other than that, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great night.